Welcome to this quick Tally Prime tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create Sundry Creditors laser in step by step in Tally Prime. So, our object and focus area, what is Sundry Creditor and how to create Sundry Creditor laser step by step in Tally Prime. Okay. So first, what is Sundry Creditor? So Sundry Creditors are individual or entities to whom company owe money or for goods or service purchased on credit. Okay, so they represent liability of a company balance sheet, indicate a short-term debt that must be paid. So syndicate is no one is a vendor, okay, from whom companies buy a goods or service on credit basis or cash, okay, and that syndicated represent balance sheet on the liability side of a company balance sheet. Okay. So this is a question. Um, I have already explained how to create a company in previous video and for the stock also. First two question we will not going. Okay, we are not going through that. Okay. So next second question. So third question is make a purchase order from Shweta Private Limited. So Shweta is a sundry creditor of XYZ Private Limited. Okay, so we'll create the laser for Shweta Private Limited. For to create a new laser, you have to open a Tally Prime and ensure you are in the correct company. Okay, so we have already in the XYZ Private Limited company. So for that, you have to come to the masters, then click on the create. Okay, once you select the create, then come to the from accounting masters, come to the laser. Okay, click on enter. Now start entering the sundry creditor or vendor name. So in our case, sundry creditor is Shweta Private Limited. So we'll enter the name Shweta Private Limited. Okay. This company is our sundry creditor. So in list of group, we have to choose sundry creditor under sundry creditor. Then if you want to maintain bill by bill, then click on yes, or if no, then you can click on no. Okay, for us, we are going to maintain bill by bill. Then default credit period. Credit period is that you have when the company purchase a goods or service from the sundry creditor, they have agreed some payment term. Within that day, they will do the payment. Company will pay the to their sundry creditor. That some company has the payment term is 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, okay, of 45 days, 60 days, 90 days. It's according to the payment agreement, you have to enter that credit period. Okay, so for us it is 15 days and we are entering 15 days. Credit period, by enter the credit period because it helps you to understand which which bill you have not done the payment, or whatever the payment you have to receive, it is overdue. You you will get through the teleprime and it helps you do not miss any payment, any invoice payment, or any payment you are going to receive, you will remind everything. Okay. Check for credit date during the voucher entry. If you want, you can click on the yes. Now enter the address. Okay. Suppose this person is from we have purchased goods from Shweta Private Limited. She is from, that company is from Kolkata. So we'll enter the address of that person. Okay. Now select the state. Kolkata is from West Bengal, then it is for West Bengal. Country will be India. Then enter the PIN code. Okay, now enter the contact number. Okay, if you want to provide contact details, then you click on yes. Then you can create the whom you have to connect, the contact name, then their phone number. Primary phone number is that it is a company number. Okay, then fax number, email, whom you want to keep, CC, website details. Okay, you can enter everything. For now, as of now, we are not entering anything. If you want to provide bank details, you can click yes and enter the bank details. Okay, then enter the PAN number. Okay, now you have to select register type. It is registered person or unregistered person or composition. So in our case, there is no GST number is given. So for our case, we assume that is an unregistered person. We select unregistered, then save. Okay, enter, save. Now come to again. Then there's again XYZ Private Limited had purchased some stock. Okay, then make a purchase order from LXY Limited. So again, LXY Limited is a sundry creditor of XYZ Private Limited. So again, we will create the laser for sundry creditor XYZ Limited. Okay. Again, select under list sundry creditor, maintain bill by bill, credit default credit period, then address, then select the state, PIN code, then contact number, okay, then PAN number, then again it is registration type they are asking. Again it is unregistered company, unregistered. And now for save, you can click enter, or simply Control A. Shortcut key is Control A. We have created the sundry creator lasers. So your vendor laser is now created successfully. Okay. If you want to check, then come to the gateway of Tally. Then click A or from your keyboard or Alter from choose Alter. Then come to the laser. Now you can check that LXY Limited, then Shweta Private Limited. You can want to change anything or if you want anything add, you can simply alter there. Okay. So I hope you have understand how to create sundry creator laser in Tally Prime. Do you have any question or you want to reach us? Simply drop an email info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you for watching.